Modern utilities quite often top the sales charts in Australia for various reasons. Some owners need a work ute. Some owners want to go four-wheel driving on the weekend, while others are looking to tow heavy loads such as trailers, construction machinery, boats, or the caravan. Let's face it, Australians are obsessed with doing up their vehicles for work or play. As a consequence, we tend to add a lot more weight with bull bars, trays, camping modifications, towing gear, the list goes on. Then we also start towing loads as well, and that's where it starts to become a real safety issue as the brakes are just not up to the task. Thankfully, Bendix now offer a complete braking solution for your four-wheel drive or utilities needs. Bendix's new Ultimate full brake package comes with two Bendix Ultimate disc rotors, a set of Bendix front brake pads, braided brake lines for improved pedal feel, brake fluid, brake cleaner, lubricant, brake clean rotor wipes and more, all in a neat heavy-duty touring case. We'll run the factory setup to start with. This will give us a benchmark and show us what most loaded up four-wheel drive utes running the OEM braking setup can expect with lots of heavy accessories fitted up. Okay, that's the first one done. 2 more times. Oh yeah, I can feel the pedal getting really soft and tired there. Look, we've stopped way past the first one. One more time. All right, this is the last test with the OEM brakes. Oh yeah, that's terrible. After 3 goes, the brakes really are feeling like they're not up to the task. Let's test our other Ford Ranger out with the Bendix brake package fitted and see if there's much of a difference. Righto, we have the Bendix brake package fitted into this Ranger and straight away we can notice the difference in braking power. All right, here we are with the first brake test. Stop. Whoa. Look at that, look how far the difference is from the factory brake package. That's just awesome. Time for number 2. You know what, I'd feel much more confident if I was towing with this package fitted as well. All right, second run. And let's hit the brakes. Whoa, gee, that's awesome. It really is a potential lifesaver, this upgrade. All right, third run with the Bendix Ultimate package. Oh, and check that out. Oh, what a difference. Almost 5 meters. That's huge. That's a whole car length. That could be the difference between running into the back of another car in an emergency situation. The braided lines dramatically help improve feel. The new pads and rotors remain fade-free even after repeated stops. Replacing the OEM brake rotors, pads, fluid and brake lines with the Bendix Ultimate has really transformed how the Ranger's brake pedal feels under your foot. That in itself is half the job done, having confidence, and because the pedal feels more progressive and there's more stopping power and you can better judge braking distances. In this big work ute, that's an obvious upgrade that should not be ignored. As Australia's leading brake manufacturer, Bendix's quality is second to none. So if you think your brakes aren't up to the job, get in contact with your local stockist or repairer to fit this brake upgrade kit. For more information, visit our website at www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix, put your foot down with confidence.